Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube video private. Before the tutorial, make sure to check out our resources in the description below. Free YouTube ebooks, customizable YouTube checklists, exclusive software deals, free trial offers for YouTubers, and many more resources that help you grow your YouTube channel, build a business on it, and make more money from it. Now, back to the tutorial. Alright, so if you want to make a public or an unlisted video private, all you have to do is open up YouTube Studio, sign in into your YouTube channel, and then on the left side click on content here, and here you can see some test videos I have. So as you can see under the visibility column, you can see whether it's a public, private or unlisted video. And to make a video private, all you have to do is click on this down arrow here, and then instead of public, select the private one and then click on save. And now this video has become private. It means that only you and people I have shared this video can see this video. This video won't appear on the channel or in the YouTube search results. As you can see, if you have an unlisted video, the process is the same. So click on the down arrow and select private. And now if you click on save, this video will become private as well, as you can see here. Alright, if something is still not clear to you, check out our more detailed instructional blog post on 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞. Links to that in the description below. Also, don't forget to check out our free ebooks, checklists, software deals and templates that help you grow on YouTube and teach you how to make a full-time online business from your YouTube channel. Alright, if you found this free tutorial helpful, please like it, or you can also support us making more free videos by clicking on the thanks button. Any support is appreciated. Thanks.